Okay guys, Troy Casey, certified health nut here, out walking in nature. Today we're going to talk about how to improve your thinning hair, or at least all the mechanisms around hair growth, protein synthesis, etc. And so, it's weird taking advice from a guy who's got a full head of hair. Obviously, genetics has a certain play on it, but if you read Doug Kaufman's book, The Fungal Link, you know that there is a relationship to fungus on the hair follicles. And, the fungal link goes into dissertation on cancer, gut dysbiosis. A lot of things are fungal and parasite related, and we're in symbiotic relationship with bacteria, parasites, fungus, little critters. And so you want to make sure that you are not host and feeding the fungus, feeding the critters that live on the skin, that live on the scalp. And so internally is represented in the external. So your gut lining is directly related to your overall skin. And so you want to make sure that you're cleaning up your diet. Obviously, doing my Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation program is very important because it cleans out the gut, and restoring gut function. A lot of people have gut dysbiosis, which is the body should have about 15% bad bacteria, 85% good bacteria. When pesticides and herbicides, antibiotics, vaccines, etc., they affect the critters in the stomach. And if you look at glyphosate, and glyphosate is pervasive and ubiquitous. They found it in the Arctic. They found it in women's breasts, the breast milk, fetal tissue. And so recognize that glyphosate, it's by design, it's an herbicide, fungicide, pesticide. It's going to kill the little critters. It got approved on the market because it takes out the shikemic pathway, and the human beings don't have a shikemic pathway, but the microbes in your gut do, and so it'll kill the good bacteria. The bad bacteria will be allowed to proliferate. So the Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation that I have has Biomedic. It's been proven to pull the glyphosate out of the tissue, reduce C-reactive protein by 74% in 6 weeks. So cleaning out the gut, and then making sure that you're not ingesting inflammatory agents. Soy, corn, gluten, nuts, grains, seeds, all have phytic acids on them, so they need to be sprouted and prepared properly before you can ingest them, either a sourdough or you sprout them and you juice them, like the products I work with. Also, when you're doing that type of program, cleansing, detoxifying the tissues, you are not ingesting sugar. Sugar feeds fungus, so it's very important to understand that sugar feeds fungus. Then you're going to want to look at your topical. What type of chemicals are you using? Are you using synthetic fragrance? Read the ingredients of everything that you're putting in your body, because your skin absorbs whatever you put on it. And so also you have your gut microbiome that goes over the whole body. So if you're using hand sanitizer, soaps, harsh soaps, even too much Dr. Bronner's is going to wash the microbiome, off of your body. And it's good to do that every once in a while. In fact, I'm going to give you a secret here. It's an Egyptian secret. I learned it from the Tolmans, Don Tolman, the whole food cowboy, and his son, Tyler Tolman, who has a detox clinic out in Bali, I do believe. And so You go to the store and you buy high quality vodka in glass, triple, quadruple distilled, and you put baking soda in it, and you scrub your skin with that. It's amazing. And again, you're going to want to replenish your moisture after you do that. So, some coconut oil over that, and the caprylic acid also helps with abating fungus. And so internally or externally, so you can also oil pull with the coconut oil. And but back to the Egyptian secret. So you scrub your skin with that, and it cleans off any kind of fungus and parasites. And so I'm sure you can scrub your scalp as well. So cleaning up the gut, then making sure you're cleaning up, you're not poisoning yourself with any kind of cleaning products. Then you are going to want to lower your stress levels. My stress management course covers all that, but ultimately get into a Qigong practice, daily exercise practice. Walking, like what I'm doing right now, is probably the best de-stressing Qigong type exercise. Qi means energy, Gong means practice. It's an energy cultivation practice. So lowering stress levels, and then you're going to want to stimulate the area. And so I like to scratch with my fingers. And so whenever I can get around to it, really stimulate. You can also get a wood comb. Really get in there and stimulate. You can stand on your head or do inversions. This will bring blood to the area. Because everything about, aging really boils down to circulation. Circulation of the qi, energy of the qi. You notice this when you do breath work or when you work out. You feel more vitalized because you've brought the energy into the body. Circulation is so important for energy in general. And so inversions will help you. Also, sauna is a great way to cleanse and detoxify. So these are all tools in the toolbox. I'd love to hear from you guys in the comment section below on what worked for you. But ultimately, clean up the gut, read the fungal link, or the fungus link by Doug Kaufman. See if that has any information for you. Try my ultimate lifestyle transformation, clean out the gut, 30 days. My average client loses 25 pounds in the first 30 days. See if that moves the needle forward. Because I have been taking, I speak from anecdotal experience, and, my mentors told me that results never lie. So I always look in the mirror and teach from my own perspective, because that's the only thing I really have. And I noticed the more high vibrational foods, herbs, fasting, the more I got into my protocols, but mainly high-powered nutrition from herbs and superfoods. My nails, my skin, and my hair, especially my nails, I notice how dramatic my nails grow when I'm eating high vibrational nutrition. I really noticed this when I was working in the Amazon with those very strong plants down there. And my skin, hair, and nails replicates very quickly from all the nutrition that I've been feeding it. And I have very strong nails as well. And so these are the proteins that come outside of the body. And so you want to feed your body high-powered nutrition. If you're looking for protein synthesis, you also want to look at the original paleo superfoods, organ meats, liver, and you can up your collagen intake as well. Get those peptides going, because that affects the skin, hair, and nails. So any kind of bone broth. Bone broth's going to be good to replicate that. And then I have, in my online superfood store, I have a product called Renew Skin, Hair, and Nails. And it has silica in it and horsetail. really powerful herbal elements to build that collagen. My grandmother, her hair was thinning, and she was in her 90s at that time. My dad asked me the question, and I said, hey, look, you can try this product. There's no guarantees, but try that product for grandma. She was in her 90s. She tried the Renew Skin, Hair, and Nails, and her hairstylist wanted to know what the hell she was doing because her hair started to grow back. And so, it's worth a try. Everything that we do with that product and the product line is 100% satisfaction guaranteed. So it's worth a try. Do the cleanse, try that herbal formula, Renew Skin, Hair, and Nails. Stand on your head, stimulate your scalp, get in the hot, get in the cold. Cold therapy, cryotherapy is also going to help to stimulate chi, improve circulation, reduce inflammation, kill off any unwanted fungus, mold, and parasites. You can't really kill the stuff. You got to dance with it. And so that's why fasting, dry fasting, calorie restricted fasting, cleanse and detox, deep nutrition, these things are all going to work to help build and stimulate. And here's the thing. Because of genetics, there's no guarantee that these types of things are going to work and stave off your balding head. But the fact of the matter is you're going to get real healthy in the meantime, trying all this stuff, seeing what works for you. So this is Troy Casey reporting live from planet Earth, encouraging you to be conscious about what you're doing, what you're putting into the pie hole, and then therefore what's represented in the body. Remember, mind is an embodied process. So you have to take these ideas off the internet and apply them into your life and see if they are effective. So Troy Casey signing out. Have a great day.